Welcome to Questioner Central, your channel for fun, functional quizzes. Want to uncover surprising facts, boost your brain power, or impress your friends? Stick around for today's challenge, all right? You need to exercise every day to stay fit. Fact or fiction? Fiction. Rest days are a secret weapon. Exercising 4 to 5 times a week with proper rest keeps you strong and injury-free. Work smarter, not harder, all right? Lifting weights will make you bulky. Fact or fiction? Fiction. Bulking up takes serious diet and training. Strength training tones muscles and cranks up your metabolism. So grab those weights, okay? You burn more fat exercising on an empty stomach. Fact or fiction? It depends. Fasted cardio might burn fat short-term, but overall fat loss, nutrition and consistency are the real MVPs. Cardio is the best way to lose weight. Fact or fiction? Take a guess, okay? Fiction. Cardio's great, but strength training builds muscle that torches calories even while you rest. Long-term weight loss? Lift. Static stretching before exercise prevents injuries. Fact or fiction? This one's shocking. Fiction. Static stretching isn't the hero here. Dynamic warm-ups prep your muscles and reduce injury risk. Did you get this? Think you know it all? Stay and prove it in the next round. Ready? You need to sweat to have an effective workout. Fact or fiction? Fiction. Sweat's just your body's AC system. You can burn calories and build strength without dripping buckets. Cool, right? Muscle turns into fat if you stop exercising. Fact or fiction? Fiction. Muscle and fat don't swap identities. Lifestyle changes cause muscle loss and fat gain, but one can't morph into the other, okay? Working out in the morning burns more calories. Fact or fiction? It depends. Morning workouts work for some, but calorie burn, that's all about your workout's intensity, day or night. Were you surprised? You can spot reduced fat in specific areas. Fact or fiction? I hope this is true. Fiction. Sorry, you can't pick where to lose fat, but strong muscles underneath can make those areas pop once the fat's gone. Oh well. More exercise always leads to better results. Fact or fiction? This one's tricky, right? Fiction. Overtraining can backfire with injuries and burnout. Balance your workouts with rest for peak performance. Did you get that? Think you've got what it takes to crush this final round? Let's see if you can keep up. Running ruins your knees. Fact or fiction? This one's also tricky, right? Fiction. Proper running form can strengthen your knees. The real culprits, poor technique and overtraining, so lace up smartly, okay? Strength training isn't for older adults. Fact or fiction? Oh, come on, you got this! Fiction. Strength training builds bone density, balance, and muscle in older adults, keeping you strong and steady for the long run. So invite grandma and grandpa, okay? High-intensity workouts are the only way to lose weight. Fact or fiction? Fiction. Consistency is king. Moderate or low-intensity exercises can burn calories too. Just keep moving, all right? Walking is not a real workout. Fact or fiction? I hope this is fiction, please. Yay, fiction. Walking boosts your heart health, burns calories, and is a fantastic fitness starter. Don't underestimate those steps. Exercising at night disrupts sleep. Fact or fiction? Can you guess this one? It depends on the intensity and the interval between your bedtime and exercise. Intense late-night workouts might keep you up, but light evening exercises can help. Here's some bonus. If you don't feel sore, you didn't have a good workout. Fact or fiction? Think you got the bonus question? Share your score and prove it in the comments. If you like more fun, functional quizzes, please like and subscribe to Questioner Central. Thank you.